What is Jesus? He reveals God, and we know Jesus reveals him as a shepherd. Jesus says, I am the good shepherd. I lay down my life for my sheep. You may or may not know what that means, so can I take 30 seconds, 2 minutes, because why should I lie in front of you? I mean 30 seconds, but it'll be 2 minutes, to explain. Before I was a believer, I would go to church and hear someone say this, Lamb of God who takes away the sins of the world, have mercy on us. And I never knew what it meant. But now I do. You see, the Jews would kill a lamb for the sins of their nation. It was symbolic. They placed their sin on the lamb, they killed the lamb. The innocent lamb hurt nobody. But that was never meant to do any good for them. It was only a symbol of Jesus Christ, who it says in the first chapter of John, Jesus is the Lamb of God who takes away the sins of the world. You see, Jesus...